Introduction to ASEAN. ASEAN is primarily concerned with raising technology awareness and encouraging the use of computing machinery. It also serves its members and the computing profession with leading edge publications, conferences, and career resources. History of ASEAN. It was founded in 1947, and since then, its main focus is on building and developing its members' passion for computer science. It is currently organized into over hundreds of local chapters. We have more than 1 lakh number of students in ASEAN worldwide and 190 plus global student chapters across the world. And I'm sure that these numbers will be increasing over the coming years. Benefits of being in ASEAN. ASEAN enhances your professional career and academic life with ASEAN members. It gives us access to online books, courses, videos, and webinars through ASEAN Learning Centers. We also get opportunities to participate in local chapters, special interest groups, and the ASEAN Digital Library. Future goals of ASEAN Student Chapter at VITA. In near future, ASEAN Student Chapter will continue to diversify in VITAP. We will be conducting amazing projects in the field of ML and graphic designing. It will conduct a lot of workshops, and this time we are also stepping into open source. So in the past 6 months, we have conducted amazing events which are as follows. So the first one is Idea Plugin. It was a 3-day event where we conducted various rounds of events in which we organized hackathons and prototypes. It was in collaboration with the CSI and the Android Club and was a great success. The next is hashtag Online Design Thinking. This was the first event of ASEAN Student Chapter in the year 2021 and was live telecasted on our chapter's YouTube channel. This event included process of design thinking, design roles, and the real-world implementation of it. This event got the highest number of registration, that is 719, and about 889 views and 1900 impressions with more than 110 subscribers for our YouTube channel. The next is UI UX Battleground. This event turned out to be successful with about 160 registrations and was also shared on YouTube. The next is Share Fiesta. This event was in collaboration with the CSI and the GPAC Club. We also received an overwhelming response of about 1,050 registrations. This event consisted of about 6 energizing games and was a great success. Moving further, we present before you a very new fresh logo for our ASEAN Student Chapter. Hope you all like the new logo. Thank you for joining me with this. And now I would like Meghna to take over and host an amazing game for you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Harkirat, for the presentation. So I hope you all are energized by now. We have now planned an exciting game for you all. We'll be sharing the link on the group chat. Please click on the link and you all will be redirected to the game. Please join, everyone. So we have the question, what do you know about ACM? Guys, do join and play the game. Please answer.
Where is the link?
in the group chat. Just see.
But I have no option.
Chat box option is not provided.
Yes.
I think you can also go to www.menti.com and you need to use the code which is specified there, I think. Yeah, you should be able to.
The link has also been circulated in WhatsApp groups. If anyone is there, please join from there as well. So we are getting quite a lot of responses. Guys, keep on responding. It's amazing. If anyone is still unable to join, just go to www.menti.com and use the code 9421561. Guys, keep on responding. We're getting responses. Technical club, nice club, best club. It's really enthusiastic. Okay, guys, last 1 minute left. Keep on responding. We are still getting responses. Technical club, best club, I can see. Association of Computing Machinery, superb club. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you all for participating. Hope you all liked it. Now I would like to invite our faculty coordinator, Dr. Nagaraju Sir, Associate Professor in the School of Computer Science and Engineering. Sir, please share with us some insights of the club and guide us.
Thank you. So we have started. First, good evening, everyone. So we have started this club in 2019. So the first president of this club is Joshi Manohar. In 2020, the second president Manjunath. So after that, the president Agnesh. And so we're coming to this club. We have the various bylaws, and after that, we'll see the various responsibilities of the chapter officers. So ACM chapter, and after that we'll see the various benefits. When coming to the responsibilities of the chapter officers or ACM student chapters are required to have the chair, vice chair, treasurer, right? So I think we have already done this part. So when coming to the administrative interfaces and allowing to manage the chapter's members roster and update the chapter's contact information and more. And chapter web tools. When coming to the ACM chapter web tools, so we have the various web tools are there, acm.org and chapters web tools. After that we have the various local activities calendar, right? So we have the chapter member locator also there. We have the various distinguished speakers. So ACM Distinguished Speaker Program is there. This is one of the premier technology outreach programs in the country, I mean in the computing industry. So ACM DSP, that is the Distinguished Speakers Program, has over 695 lectures, nearly 195 different speakers. When coming to the promotional materials, so ACM provides the various chapters and the materials for the chapter events. And ACM student chapter has the excellent awards also. So these awards recognize the outstanding ACM student chapters in serving the various categories. So the chapters that display the considerable initiative during the academic year so are encouraged to apply. So when coming to the ACM headquarters, we'll get the support. So one is the database support, and all chapters receive the access from the ACM chapter administrative interfaces. And membership promotion. So the headquarters office that can help the chapters planning the ACM membership drives. So by providing the ACM membership applications, brochure, and promotional materials. And after that, we'll see the chapter outreaches. So if you would like to promote the one of the more events are the to notify the local ACM members. So we're having this local chapter outreach, right? So after that we are having the various web tools. The web tools means the chapter website hosting the chapter officers, so they are able to send up their chapter websites on the ACM servers. And recruiting members, that part is already over, and ACM content chapter activities, so that part is already all right. So when coming to the chapter activities and ideas, so the kinds of the activities that the chapter can run depending on the creativity and the interest of the each group. So for example, so panel presentations, so there is a one possibility is the panel presentations, and invite the two or the more people from the various studios or the various companies or the various universities to discuss the work, to discuss the recent works and they have done on the particular film or the commercial projects, so that involve the interactive techniques. And so the other possible idea is the site visits. So they invite your members to get to get a behind the scene a view of the local studio or the facility or the research labs. So bio, that is the BYO, so that is the bring your own. So bring your own means there is a great opportunity to showcase our hidden talent and come together to the networks. So joint meetings. So joint meetings means joint meetings are the great way to interact with the local professionals, and it is also an opportunity for the professional chapters to meet with the students to teach them the advice, and panel discussions and the roundtables. And mixers are the social events, and the mixers of the social events means so hosting an event, dinner, or the dessert party with where the main purpose to meet and greet the people. So and after that seminars, and after that we'll see the students shadowing the professionals. So that is the pair college students within the professionals in the students are desired career field. So here the student can spend a day with the professionals at his place of work. So various advisory boards are there, and so these are all the various activity ideas from the chapter. So when coming to the chapter meetings, so when coming to the successful chapter meetings are held easily accessible, affordable, and comfortable meeting sites are there. right? So when you see this, the present ACM India president is the Professor Harish JS sir. So here I can share the screen. Let's see here. Professor Jayat Harista, he is the senior most faculty in the senior most faculty from the IISc Bangalore. So present he is the president for the ACM India. So Hina Timani is the ACM Women India Committee chair, and she is the vice chair of the ACM Ahmedabad professional chapter. Right. So this is the brief from the ACM chapters. Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and energizing words. We are truly delighted to have you as our club coordinator. Next, I would like to invite the chief guest for today's event, our beloved Anupama ma'am, Assistant Director of the Student Welfare Department, to grace the event by sharing her thoughts.
So hi everyone. So a very good afternoon to one and all, and it gives me immense pleasure to congratulate you all for starting this chapter in a nicer way, and the orientation is really good and it's organized really well. So thanks for that. And see, you got a very good a chapter that you have got in. So this is like a chapter where you can elevate your research skills, elevate your technologies, elevate your team building spirit. Okay, so this is which you can, I mean, it helps you a lot in your careers. So first and foremost, congratulations for your orientation, and also congratulations for forming the new team. So a very good luck and all the best. So I'd like to share a few things which might be helpful for your chapter. So first of all, the first thing that is really important is the team. Okay, so it's not just the organizing team. I'm talking about all the people who are part of your club. Okay, so the entire team should work with one motto and work with one vision. It's not like the work that you do, you should project the club, not your personal things. Okay, so whenever you try to showcase like I'm, so it's not a team. Okay, so everywhere we should come in, so that will really help your club to grow a lot. Okay, so never get into the thing like I'm a leader, I'll tell you, you should follow. So there is no such kind of thing. Everybody is a leader, everybody is special, everybody is got a talent. Okay, so everybody is in the world because you got some special talent in you, which you need to hone up and then make it shine. That's the thing. Okay, so when I tell team, I remind of a small story. It's a very old story, but then it gives really the crux of the team. So the king wanted everybody to bring 1 liter of milk and pour it in a vessel. So he has covered that vessel. Everybody think that okay, I'm the one only who puts water, others will put milk, so no problem, I'll put water. So like that, everybody will think of that I'll put only water, the others will pour milk, right? So everybody, it's not visible. So like that, everybody brings in only the water, and finally when the king opened up the vessel, he sees only the water. So one thing I want you to learn is that never think that if I skip, the other will do. Anyways, the organizing team is there, they will do. If I skip for an event, it's okay, no problem. So that kind of attitude you shouldn't have. Okay, so always have an attitude which brings in all the people together. If one person or the coordinator says something, chalo, we'll do this, then everybody should go behind it, follow your leader, do the things and make it and showcase your ACM proudly. Okay, so this is our ACM, we have done it. It's not I or he or somebody else has done it. So everybody collectively trust each other, strong builder, I mean build up stronger team and then try to work out. Okay, and when when we say ACM, it's just a research group which should be like stronger. So I want you all to be like a researcher rather than a normal undergraduate or something. So you should need to explore the latest technologies. You should need to explore like what kind of things are coming out, what innovations are coming up. Weekly or like monthly, you take up like what are the new things that are popping up and have a greet or a meet kind of event and then discuss on the latest things. And then try to divide yourselves into groups and form a strong research teams wherein you can publish like at least a few papers from the clubs itself. Okay, so ACM strongly believes in the research aspect, so I want you all to prepare in that direction and then dig in all the research articles and see one day you explain about like topics in one particular area. Other time you can directly explore like how to write a research paper, or sometimes you can explore like what are the different patterns or formats available for writing a research article. So like that, how to bring in idea, I mean pitching events. So what are the latest trends that we need to follow up to bring in the event? So all these things will really help you out to bring in your researcher inside you. Okay, so I want you to elevate the researcher and see updation of technology is what is really important. So if you are behind, always the others will cross over. So try to update yourself. So I believe that you people have got a stronger team. Okay, so I have seen, the events where there were 700 plus participants joining. So that itself is a big achievement. So I want you to increase the number of events that happen in the chapter, okay, and bring in a great association. And everybody should say, wow, we shouldn't miss the ACM event. So to that level, I want you all to work together, be a team. Okay, so work with a motto and be stronger and always explore yourself. You need to explore yourself because see, whatever you do, basically there will be three achievements. One is personal achievement, the second is family achievement, or the what we call our home achievements, and the other one is public achievement. Okay, so personal, private in the sense family, and public is to everywhere. Okay, so without having a personal achievement, like you can never get a private or a public achievement. So always focus on yourself, learn about yourself, think what are the strongest points that you got in, and think about how you can utilize those things for your club. So think in that direction, elevate yourself. Okay, wherever you get the opportunity, just grab it. If somebody asks today, will you do this event? Chalo, I'll do it. So you should have that kind of attitude, and then you should bring it in forward, and whatever that comes in, just do it. Okay, so if you try to start doing the things, obviously wherever you go, whatever the small things that comes in or a bigger thing that comes in, you will just face it like a normal one. Okay, so whatever the opportunity that comes in, just face it, achieve that personal success. Automatically your private success, private life will be successful, and even the public life will be successful. So with the ACM chapter, everybody, I wish you all personal, private and public success in your lives, okay, and be successful and make your ACM chapter a better chapter. And I wish this chapter should get a best chapter award in the upcoming university day. So I wish you all the best, and I congratulate the team and the coordinator for taking up this wonderful session, and thank you all for giving me this opportunity to be part of this event. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the wonderful words. Your words were really impactful. It means a lot, ma'am.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to call Ganesh, the ex-president of the ACM student chapter, to share his experience. Your words would be really valuable to us.
Hi all, and good afternoon, sir and ma'am. First of all, I'm I'm very fond of your words, ma'am and sir. I'm very inspiring towards your words. And let me thank you, sir, to giving me that president opportunity in the previous year. So let me share my experience with you all. I have attended the interviews in the last month, 10 days before itself. The company is Philips. Okay. Then they got asked me after the exams in the technical interview. They asked me, okay, after seeing the resume, they have asked me, okay, you belong to ACM club and CSA club. Okay, what you have learned from that, and what are the technology, what are the new technologies that you have learned, and how what is your organization, and how you help the team. That's what they have asked. Then I started answering that, sir, ACM is an international chapter and it is very useful for us because of learning the new technologies and doing the research in a paper. And I said that we learned to organize, we learned how to organize an event and how to communicate with each other. Not only the technical skills that you have learned in the team, in this chapter, but also you can learn that how to manage a team and how to communicate with yourselves and how to do the work and what to do the work. How to conduct an event and how to do that event to become more successful. Such an opportunity given to me by Nagaraju sir and Anupam ma'am is a wonderful thing, and I got selected in that company because they have said you have such an organization skills and you are the president of ASM club, then you have learned more and more technologies that from your team. So it's given me a wonderful opportunity, sir. And coming to the team members and the organization that you have done in this orientation itself, it is very wonderful, yeah. And I would congratulate each and everyone who have selected for this ACM club, and do your best and show your potential towards the project, towards the event, and make it successful than in the previous year itself. And you are the best president and you are the best chapter members itself, and you do the best and you do the event more successful. And thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity once again. Thank you, sir and ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ganesh, for the wonderful speech. We will keep all your words in mind. Next, we had the ex-vice president of the club, Sri Chand, but due to his personal reasons, he couldn't attend to the meet. So I would like to move on to the next person. Next, I would request Shanmukh Sai, the ex-director, to share his experience.
Hello all, good afternoon. Hope all are doing good. So coming to ACM, I would say it brings together computing educators, researchers, professionals, whatever, to share dialogues or resources, and also to concentrate and to address the challenges that are in their respective fields using the computing technology. And I want you to know that ACM is the world's largest computing society. It strengthens the profession's collective voice through strong leadership, as Manjunath said, and promotion of promote their highest standards and recognition of technical excellence. And coming to my experience in the previous academic year, it was really fun as well as educating. We have done few events, and yeah, it was really fun doing those events, and we got a best team to do and everyone are good at their work, and it was really fun. And the current team also consists of the people, students from the previous year. I know I've seen them working very close. I know what they can do. You really got the best team, and I hope you will be doing the best. All the best. Thank you.
Appreciating your motivating words. Thank you so much. Now one more exciting game has been planned by the technical department. Get ready, everyone. Over to you, technical department.
Hello everybody, very good afternoon to everyone. This is Likita. Now I am here to give a brief introduction about ACM Technical Department. Association for Computing Machinery, which we are shortly called as ACM. ACM, which is the correct platform to learn, educate, and get experience to the students. Now, I'm looking forward to talk about the topic technology. Technology is an ultimate part of our lives. Every second we spend is somehow connected to technology. This is because everything we do is heavily depend on technology. Each of our routine tasks is merely done through technology advancements. Nobody can get rid of technology in our everyday lives. All of us are so technically dependent that we can accomplish nothing without it being easy. It is essential since technology is employed in many fields of life. We can understand what is technology is important while using our cell phones, watching TV, driving, using a computer or any other motor. You see, everyday lives and continuing all technical items used in a day. Technology is an unavoidable content. Technology is an unavoidable component in our lives. We cannot believe that can exist without technology in today's fast-changing world. Technology helps us in various ways like communication, legal works, security, etc. And we are from the technical department. Now my friend Aryan will share his screen and start the game. I hope all of you will enjoy the game. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you, Likita, for those kind words. On the other hand, my name is Aryan Mohanty, and I'll be your host for this wonderful game show that consists of some technical questions. I'm known that you guys have been provided with the links to join the quiz. If you don't, then just type Kahoot on Google search and click on the first option and then enter the pin that is visible on your screen. Yes, people are joining. Good. Yes. 48 people. Good. 49. 50, 52. Okay. Any more will be joining? This is just 10 seconds, then I will start the quiz. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, that's and more. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so I'll be starting the quiz now. So it's a tech fun quiz. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, first question. Don't be evil is an unofficial motto of which brand or company? Is it Facebook, Wipro, Sun Microsystems, or Google? Answers are pouring in. Good. 10 seconds left. Okay, so many got confused between Sun Microsystems and Google, but it's Google, said by Paul Beckett in a meeting in 2000 or 2001, which became an unofficial motto of Google. Now coming to the scoreboard, Lohita answered the first position, followed by Kota and Sonu in the second and third, and Tanu and Sindhu and at the runner-ups. Coming on to the next question. Question number 2. Scareware comes under which category of softwares? Is it Simian Army? Is it a fake antivirus? Is it a kernel library? Is it a task scheduler? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, time's up. Yeah, mostly got. Yeah, it's a fake antivirus. Good. Very good. Yeah. Simian Army is a different kind of stuff. Let's check the scoreboard. Kota is at the lead with Lohita at second position, Sonu at third, and Sujitha and Shunithya at the fourth and fifth. Let's go to the next question. The third question. Oak, a programming language developed by James Gosling in 1989, evolved into which programming language? Was it NIM, Python, Java, or Perl? Okay, quick responses. It was Java, written by James Gosling in 1995 after the Oak was discontinued under Sun Microsystems. So good work there. And yeah, we have Kota at the first position, followed by Sonu, then Lohita, and Tanu and Harshini, sorry. Coming on to the fourth question, which of these is not one of the early protocols or ways to use the internet? Blogging, FTP or file transfer protocol, Gopher, transfer control protocol, or TCP? Yeah, it's blogging, it's not Gopher. All of these are actually the early protocols for using the internet, the FTP, the Gopher, the TCP. Blogging was not of them, not one of them. Okay. Okay, so Kota has fallen to the fourth position with Lohita at first, Sujitha at second, Tanu at third, and Sonu at fifth. Okay, last question. Which encryption algorithm is used in AES which supplanted DES? Is it the RSA? Is it Rijendale? Is it Blowfish? Or is it triple DES? Well, as you can see, that's how the algorithm actually works out. It takes up the subbytes, it shifts the rows, mixes the columns, and adds a rounded key. It's a pretty good algorithm. Yeah, 60 answers. Time's up. Yeah, mostly got confused with triple DES. Triple DES is a system that will be available in 2030. For now, we are using Rijendale for the encryption keys. It was proposed in 2000 by Dr. Ridge and Joan Damon, and they are Ridge and Day are like the first initial of the surnames, and L is for log. So good work there. And let's see for the winners. Sonu is at the third position. Nu is at the second, and the first position goes to Lohita. Congratulations, good work there. And we have runner-ups as Shiva and A. Good work there, guys. Now, I hope you enjoyed the quiz. Following on, I will pass on the stage to my fellow mates. all to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for hosting the fun-filled quiz. I hope everyone is enjoying. We have with us Sri Chand, the ex-vice president of the club. Can you please come up and say a few words?
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, bro, you're audible.
Yeah, hi everyone. So glad to see you wanted people and I just wanted to tell all the best for your future. This club was, to be honest, one of the last clubs earlier, and with the help of our team, like Lorita and all the people, like we are able to bring it to like one of the most active clubs in VIT. So hope you all keep it up and make ACM like one of the best clubs in VIT. So that's it from my side. I just wanted to tune in and talk to you all. So if there are any doubts, anyone who wants to interact with me can just interact with me inside. And that's all on inside. And the event was good and all the best for the future. That's it. Hello. Hello. Why is everyone not talking? It's fine. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Srijan, you're audible. You're audible.
Yeah, just unmute guys. You don't have to mute all the time. Just for the last 5 minutes, you can unmute, right? Yeah, fine. So it is great meeting you all, and I'll be meeting you soon and take a leave now. Thank you for allowing me to talk.
I'm glad for the speech, Srijan. Thank you. Moving on, next I'm going to invite Yagnesh, the president of the chapter, to share his experience and grace us with his inspiring words.
Hello everyone. First of all, a very good evening, Dr. Nagaraj sir, Dr. Anupama ma'am. It is our pleasure to have you with us today. A very good evening to our advisors and my fellow core team members. I am C. Yagnesh and I am the president of ACM Student Chapter VIT AP for this academic year. It's my pleasure to welcome you all this evening. It is a privilege and an honor for me to serve as a president for this academic year. We are extremely happy and delighted to welcome you all on the board as an ACM executives for this academic year. I would like to thank our faculty coordinator, Dr. Nagaraju sir, for having the trust in me and giving me this position. I will make sure that our chapter runs successfully, and I'm sure that this time ACM will be spreading its wings even bigger and even stronger with some exciting new events, new reforms, new ideas. I'm confident that I will make you all proud as an ACM executives. Today, on this note, let us all mark today as a start to great beginning and for implementing new ideas, new research, new projects, and choose a different path to assist the members to achieve the club's objectives. Even if you are just a member, be like a leader. Nobody is born a leader. So bring out the true potential in you and prove yourself. I would like to mention that through clubs and chapters, we should be able to gain personal and professional skills, ultimately through Lionism that will last for a lifetime. The key to the success of our chapter is only through your partnership by working together and making our chapter reach greater heights. As we have planned a lot of exciting and informative things for this academic year, we will work and achieve things together to serve others by organizing various events like hackathons, workshops, webinars, guest lectures, tech days, and many more. And we are happy to announce that this time we have introduced some new cells in our club, and they are ACMW and Project Research Team. The ACMW of VIT AP aims to carry on ACM Women objective of building a community that not only encourages girls to become enthusiastic programmers, but also provides them with appropriate resources and mentorship at each and every stage of their journey. Before concluding, I'd like to thank the members of our club for the great efforts in organizing this orientation session. Lastly, I'd like to thank our faculty coordinator, Dr. Nagaraju sir, for always being supportive and being the backbone of ACM. The ultimate goal we are working for is to see ACM as an award-winning and as the best technical student chapter in VIT AP for this academic year. I'd like to mention that this is us, this is ACM. Let's all join our hands together for achieving the aspiration in building our own legacy. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm sure you'll be a great leader, Yagnesh, and will guide us well. Now I would like to call upon Phanishwar, the Vice President, to share a few words.
Yeah. First of all, a very good evening to Dr. Nagaraj sir and Dr. Anupama ma'am. It's a pleasure to have you with us today. Your presence makes this evening much more auspicious. Good evening to all our advisors and my dear core members. It's great to meet you all too. So, I am Phanishwar and I am Vice President of ACM Student Chapter for this academic year. And I am so thankful to you all for having the trust in me and giving me this position. I will make sure our chapter runs successfully. A well organizing and a properly managed of any event in the key is success to the successful club. I promise I will make you all proud this time too. Previously, I was the marketing lead and had a great time working with the great team. Our team was always behind all the successful events from the beginning to the end of the year. They didn't even ask any achievement for much more excitement to an amazing year and ahead with a new team. The ultimate goal we are working for this is to see ASM as the best student chapter from all technical student chapters in VIT AP. So yeah, hoping to work with you all soon. Thank you.
I'm glad, Phanishwar, for the delightful words. Next, we have the technical lead, Karthik, to say a few words.
Yeah. Good evening to everyone. Firstly, I want to thank Dr. Nagaraj sir and Dr. Anupama ma'am for joining us in orientation session. I am Karthik and I am the technical lead of ACM student chapter for this academic year. I am very glad to work here as a technical lead, and I can make sure that our team will give a strong support in technical aspects for development of ACM's chapter. And we are looking forward to organize many technical events like coding rounds, hackathons, and open source communities to bring awareness to everyone. Previously, we had a great time working with our technical team. We worked with the various platforms we are conducting our events smoothly and started developing a websites for our clubs. And we are happy to see a new team with a skilled and enthusiastic people. We want to give our best to ACM chapter and we make this club as a best technical student chapter in VIT AP. Thank you.
It was my pleasure, Karthik, to have you with us. Now calling upon the documentation lead, Aditya, to share his thoughts.
Hello everyone, myself Aditya from 20 batch. First of all, my sincere thanks to the Dr. Nagaraju sir and Anupama ma'am for joining us for this orientation session. Next off, I'm there here from past 1 year. I was working there in ACM in documentation team. Not only being a member here, I learned a lot from my seniors, like how to make a documents, how to make a PPTs. Now, I promise behalf of my team that we will work hard to bring a noticeable name for ACM in our university with great events. I hope and I wish all the newbies to ACM to show the same enthusiastic behavior which I saw for this orientation session for this whole academic year. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Aditya. Next, we have our project research lead, Harsha, to say a few words.
Hi everyone, hope you are fine. And hi sir and hi ma'am. Thank you for attending the meet. And I would lightly the lead of project and research. And the project and research main agenda is to open source contribution regarding the projects and the researches what we have going to do in an entities of new technologies like AI and security and data science either. So we are we have the part of technical team, and we'll be supporting technical team in any part of the technical events what I have been hosting. So I'm very thankful that Yagnesh and Fani has given me an position as a project lead in ACM. Thank you so much.
I'm glad, Harsha, for this speech. Next, I would like to call Yuva Teja, the event management lead, to say a few words.
Hello everyone, a very good afternoon sir and ma'am. It's a pleasure to have such inspiring words from you. Good afternoon to all our advisors and my dear fellow core members. It's great to meet you all. I'm Yuteja, lead of Event Management Department of ACM Student Chapter for the academic year 2021 and 22. I'm so thankful to you all for having the trust in me and giving me this position. I have also been an event management team member of the student chapter in the last academic year. From the previous year experience, I have learned and improved my organization skills. I am very happy to be part of this club for this ACM student chapter for this year too. I make sure help myself and others to do the right things and set a right path to the team to build an inspiring vision to the club. Looking forward to organize more number of events in the upcoming days. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
I'm obliged for the speech. Next, we have our creative department lead, Ishwar, to share his thoughts.
Hi everyone, good afternoon for respected faculty coordinators, Dr. Nagaraj sir, and our chief guest, Dr. Anupama ma'am, and my lovable friends, core team of ACM. My name is Ishwar, currently I'm studying BTech second year, Computer Science Engineering. And at present, I am the lead for creative department in ACM. All my team members are very supportive and motive. I really appreciate each and everyone who are attending here. By the way, I feel very grateful to interact with Dr. Anupama ma'am. I had received many marvelous suggestions from her, like placements and internships, so on. Thank you, ma'am. Today, in this orientation session, your golden words made our day. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ishwar. Next, calling upon Likita, the marketing lead, to share her thoughts.
Hello everyone. Very good evening, Nagarjuna sir and Anupama ma'am. I'm Likita and I'm the marketing lead of ACM student chapter for this academic year. I first really want to thank the existing admin department and the leads for trusting in me and choosing me as the marketing lead and handing me a team of over 35 people. My interaction with the team has already been done and I could clearly see people being so interactive. And I, on behalf of my team, would like to promise that we together will surely work harder and help ACM grow to better heights. Me and my team are really excited for the amazing year ahead. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Likita. Now for the next few minutes, we'll have an interactive session. Anyone interested can speak up, can talk, interact. You all can share your feelings. Are you all liking the orientation event? Some responses? Anyone? Okay, I can see likes and hearts. Anyone will like to speak up and say a few words? Please, guys, share your thoughts with us.
బండి చాపి అసలు బండికి ఏమి చిన్న తీసి దేవుడు బిడ్డ Come on, guys. It's interactive. It's time. No one is going to judge us, right?
Hello,
Yeah, you're audible.
my name is Nikhil. I am from Doc.
Yeah, guys, please stop.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah.
Yes, you are. Continue.
Yes. Hello, guys. Myself, Mahesh Sasika. I'm from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I'm interested in both technical and like in technical stuff. And when it comes to technical stuff, I love to build some apps and the web development. When it comes to non-technical stuff, there is nothing. That's it.
Thank you for the interaction. Anyone else? So since no one is talking, I'm moving on to the concluding part. Thank you everyone for your participation today. Thank you Dr. Nagaraju sir, Dr. Anupama ma'am and the core team for encouraging us with your inspiring words. We'll make a great team to make all events successful. On this note, thanking Lord Almighty, I hope everyone stays safe. Thank you all for joining this afternoon. Do follow us on social media handles, Instagram, Discord, and LinkedIn. The links will be shared in the group chat. Do follow us. Thank you, everyone.